We have ours. They did not just leave me right now. What are you guys looking at? What the? Oh. What the heck? Hey guys, what are you staring at? What the heck? Who are they? And how did they get a bench here? Yeah, we don't know. They won't talk. He seems very sophisticated though. Look at his legs are crossed. Don't touch me! Listen here, buddy boy. We don't know who you are and why you're here, but you can't be hurting us like this. We were here first. Well, you may have been here first, but that doesn't give you the right to touch me. What? Hey guys! Who are they? Are they nice? I love meeting new friends. Hey guys! Are you nice? What's up? Said I have social anxiety! That was rude of you. Why would you do that? Oh, I think she died. Hey guys! How do you manage to have slobber all over your entire body? I don't know. I don't have slobber on my entire body. That means I'm gooder than you. Haha. Excuse me. Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Also, who are you? I like making new friends. I'm out of here. Cracks in the water. There's cracks in the water! Ah! Excuse me, I was drowning myself here. Dang it, I was really waiting for her to drown so that I could eat her. Guess I'll just go chill. Did she really freak out over Scaly over here? My name isn't Scaly, it's Scalamy! Chillax, Scalaminka. You're so rude and sensitive. Like, I can't name another croc who gets, annoyed over someone mispronouncing their name. That wasn't mispronouncing, that was bullying. Okay, Scaly. It's Scalaminka! Definitely scared somebody. Ah! Psst. Psst. What? Why is everybody here so weird? I don't know. Are you sure you don't want to be friends? Come here, let's be friends. Oh my gosh. Felicia! Felicia, are you okay? Her name's Felicia? Oh my god, let me guess, your name is, Karen. No, my name's not Karen. It's Dots. Bro, I'm sick of this. Get over here, you little piece of... Bro, do you really think you're doing something? You're a bird. I'm literally a bird. I am a dog. Do you think you're accomplishing? What do you think you're accomplishing in life here? Ow! My head. That hurted. And now I'm going to eat you. You realize I'm still a crocodile, right? I could come and eat you right now. What are you looking at?
Yeah. Because you're definitely going to come and eat me right now, little softy. You cried when I mispronounced your name. You were picking on...
That's it. I'm coming for you. Oh, crap. He is still a crocodile. I gotta get out of here.
Get off of Felicia, you monster!
Bro, my name is Swimmers and I haven't even gotten to swim yet. This is no fair.
Get off of Felicia!
Get off of the monster!